Me. Ayo, you hide down here.
Excuse me, there is a message for you.
Hey, ayo. Jangan disolak. You got hear the yawn, then cute. Just now he yawned so loud. Nah, the voice so cute. Yeah, the one is yawning lah. Yeah lah. Like that, so cute. Give me a shock. Can hear. I didn't know. Eat. Plates later, let me check. Yeah. I think yesterday I lost one plate, but I can't find. I can't find the plate. I went back home, then I cycle back here and check again. Also cannot find the plate. Then I watched a video. I got 2 yellow plate and 2 blue plate. Yeah, I only got 2 yellow plate and 1 blue plate. 1 blue is missing. Never mind, doesn't matter. I replaced one already. I replaced one with a new one. I cycle back here and find. Then I went back home around 12 o'clock already. Quite late. Doesn't matter lah. Don't because of one plate waste my time. Later before I go back, I check one more time. Should be don't know where is it lah. Missing. Don't know why. At night I must be careful. At night quite dark cannot see. Yeah, then got more cat at the generator there. Then big bushy, small bushy. All the shop then cow head lah. Wow, so many. So I get misplaced some of them. Cute some.